So this is the terrace, this is the kitchen going in, this is the sklad or katolny, boiler room if you like, where the boiler will go on the wall, and also a place where to stack preserves and whatever. Then this way, this wall is now completed, and this here in the centre. Now bear in mind I haven't done any of the stud work apart from a few bits here and the odd bits, you know, where I've connected walls and that, so there's a lot of stud work to go in yet. So this is the entranceway, will be the entranceway into the living room, and this is going to be probably a sliding type door, because if you notice it's wider than all the rest. So as you come through here, you've got the living room with a big window and what's going to be a big roof up there. So you come through here. The only exit from here is either through there into the kitchen or through here into the corridor. And the corridor, or hallway if you like, as you come through here, you go a left, goes into the tambour, which is the entrance hallway. So you've got there should be a door here. We're debating whether to put a door here or just leave it as an arch or something, but we'll see. It's the size of a door. And then you've got the entranceway here. This is actually the main entrance to the house. The other one's into the terrace. So if you come this way in, there you go, into the tambour. So we'll have a cupboard here, probably sliding mirror doors that will have shoes and handbags and ladies' rubbish and coats and that'll all go in there. That's that kind of place. So it'll be hidden away. It's like a junk cupboard. So you come through into the hallway. You've got the right there into the living room. The left goes into, or will go into, the spare bedroom or the guest bedroom, which is here, as you can see. Coming out of the guest bedroom, I'm hoping I'm making this clear, back into the hallway, you've got to the left the toilet and bathroom. So this wall's no entrance into there. You got the toilet and bathroom. So this is a bit of toilet door, and that's the toilet, that wall's finished, and the bathroom is going through here, so as you can imagine. Originally the plan was that was supposed to be the bathroom. We've turned that into a walk-in wardrobe, and we wanted the toilet separate from the bath anyway, because it's going to be a corner jacuzzi in here hopefully, and we didn't want the toilet right beside. So if you had a corner jacuzzi here and a toilet there, when you're laying in the jacuzzi you've got a head right beside the toilet, and it's not the nicest of things, so we moved that over to there. What else? So that's a toilet in there.